Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and exploring how you can make money with AI agents in 2025. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or build a full-blown online business, AI agents can help you get there. So, are you ready to unlock the earning potential of AI agents? Let's dive in. Before we get started, if you would like to learn about our #1 recommended side hustle designed for beginners with free mentoring and training that pays daily, requires no tech skills, no experience, and no huge following, while needing only your cell phone, an internet connection, and just a few hours a day, you can either visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com for the details or click the link in the description. AI agents are rapidly changing the business landscape. Imagine having virtual assistants working 24/7, handling customer inquiries, managing schedules, and even closing deals. The demand for AI-powered solutions is skyrocketing, presenting an incredible opportunity for forward-thinking individuals like you. What exactly are AI agents? They're super smart programs designed to perform specific tasks for you. Think of them as digital sidekicks, ready to tackle repetitive activities. The beauty of AI agents lies in their ability to learn and adapt, becoming more efficient over time. In 2025, AI agents are more accessible than ever. Platforms like ManyChat provide intuitive interfaces, making it easy to build and deploy AI-powered chatbots without coding. AI agents enhance customer satisfaction by providing instant responses and personalized experiences. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. AI agents are a goldmine for making money due to their efficiency. They automate mundane tasks, freeing up human employees for strategic work. This increased efficiency translates into significant cost savings for businesses. AI agents are scalable and versatile. Once you've created a successful AI agent, you can replicate and deploy it across multiple businesses. This versatility opens up a world of opportunities for you as an AI entrepreneur. Businesses across all industries are clamoring for AI-powered solutions. AI is the key to staying competitive, efficient, and profitable in today's digital landscape. The demand for AI talent is skyrocketing, offering abundant opportunities for success. Become an AI agent superhero for businesses in need. Platforms like ManyChat and Zapier allow you to build sophisticated AI solutions without needing a degree in computer science. As you gain experience, you can charge a premium for your services. Craft your own AI masterpieces and sell them to the world. Develop a subscription-based chatbot for e-commerce or a productivity assistant for remote workers. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Freelancing or consulting in AI implementation might be right up your alley. Offer your services as a freelance AI consultant, helping businesses identify areas for AI implementation. Continuous learning is key to staying ahead in this rapidly evolving field. Okay, I know all this talk of AI agents and making money can be super exciting, but you might be wondering, where do I even? Trust me, I totally get it. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you're first dipping your toes into a new field, especially one as buzzworthy as AI. But here's the good news. Getting started with AI agents is way easier than you might think. The first step is to simply familiarize yourself with the basics of AI and how these amazing agents work their magic. Don't worry, you don't need to enroll in a fancy computer science program or become a coding ninja overnight. Unless that's your jam, then go for it. There are countless beginner-friendly resources available online that break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand nuggets of wisdom. YouTube is a fantastic place to start. Search for AI for beginners or how to create a chatbot, and you'll be greeted with a treasure trove of free tutorials, explainer videos, and step-by-step guides. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy also offer affordable online courses that provide a more structured approach to learning AI fundamentals, often with hands-on projects and quizzes to solidify your understanding. And don't underestimate the power of blogs and articles. Many tech enthusiasts and AI experts regularly share their insights and tips online. A quick Google search for AI agent tutorials for beginners will lead you to a wealth of valuable information. Remember, the key is to start small, take baby steps, and celebrate each milestone along the way. You got this. Embark on your AI adventure with beginner-friendly tools. Create and deploy AI agents easily, no coding needed. Use ChatGPT API for powerful integrations. Build chatbots, generate copy, create stories. ManyChat simplifies chatbot creation. Drag and drop interface for easy design. Automate tasks with Zapier. Connect apps, create workflows, no code. Free trials let you explore features. Experiment and find the best tools for your goals. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the tech monster under the bed. Many aspiring AI entrepreneurs hesitate to take the plunge because they worry about not being tech savvy enough. But here's the truth bomb. You don't need to be a tech genius to make money with AI agents. Remember those user-friendly platforms we talked about, like ManyChat and Zapier? AI platforms provide the recipes, ingredients, and tools you need to create amazing AI-powered solutions, even if you're a complete beginner. Thriving in the AI arena. You got this. Competition in AI is fierce, but it's not a bad thing. It fuels innovation and pushes you to excel. Focus on a niche to stand out. Stay informed and adapt to new trends. Embrace change, and you'll succeed. Can you really make money with AI agents? You bet you can. Imagine yourself as an e-commerce whiz who used AI chatbots to transform your business. Your chatbot was a smashing success, freeing up your time and attracting new clients. Then, eventually, you turn your side hustle into a thriving AI agency. Or if you are a marketing consultant who has mastered AI tools. You've also mastered automating campaigns and generating leads, skyrocketing your reputation above your competition. At that point, you can demand top dollar for your AI expertise. But the success stories don't stop there. Let's meet Sophia, a busy mom who was determined to find a way to earn a sustainable income from home while raising her young children. Sophia had always been fascinated by technology, and she saw the incredible potential of AI to create passive income streams. She decided to combine her passion for technology with her desire to help others by creating a subscription-based productivity bot for remote workers. Sophia envisioned a virtual assistant that would help users stay organized, manage their time effectively, and combat the distractions that often come with working from home. She poured her heart and soul into developing her productivity bot, meticulously crafting its features and functionalities, and her hard work paid off. Word spread like wildfire about Sophia's incredible tool, and soon she had a loyal following of subscribers who raved about how her bot had transformed their work lives. Today, Sophia enjoys a fulfilling and flexible career, earning a steady income from her AI-powered creation while being present for her children. Talk about a true inspiration. These stories are just a glimpse into the incredible world of opportunities that await those who dare to embrace the power of AI. Wow, we've covered a ton of ground today. By now, you should have a solid understanding of what AI agents are, why they're such a big deal in 2025, and how you can leverage their power to create a stream of income, whether it's a little something extra on the side or a full-blown entrepreneurial leap. The beauty of this whole AI revolution is that it's not just for the tech giants or coding gurus anymore. It's for everyone. With all the user-friendly platforms and tools available today, Anyone with a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of determination, and a willingness to learn can tap into this exciting field and create something amazing. Remember, businesses across every single industry are clamoring for AI solutions. They're looking for savvy individuals like you to help them navigate this new landscape, automate their tasks, enhance their customer experiences, and ultimately boost their bottom line. The demand for AI expertise is only going to skyrocket in the coming years, so there's never been a better time to jump on board this runaway train. But here's the best part: you don't need to have all the answers right now. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and that's part of what makes it so exhilarating. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and don't be afraid to experiment. So, what are you waiting for? The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. Now that you've got the inside scoop on how to make money with AI agents, it's time to take action. Remember those baby steps we talked about? Pick one thing that resonated with you, whether it's exploring different AI platforms, signing up for a beginner-friendly course, or even just brainstorming ideas for your own AI-powered solution, and commit to taking that first step today. Once again, if you would like to learn about our #1 recommended side hustle designed for beginners with free mentoring and training that pays daily, requires no tech skills, no experience, and no huge following while needing only your cell phone, an internet connection, and just a few hours a day, you can either visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com for the details or click the link in the description. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. The beauty of starting small is that you can always adjust course along the way. The most important thing is to simply start. And hey, we're here to cheer you on every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who might also be interested in the world of AI. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to thrive in the digital economy. Now go out there, embrace the power of AI, and create the future you've always dreamed of. We can't wait to see what you accomplish. Until next time, stay awesome.